In this video, I'll show you how to connect Supabase to a Lovable app. First, sign in to your Lovable account and open the project you want to connect. Make sure your project is ready before continuing. Next, click the Supabase button in the top right corner of the Lovable editor and select Connect to Supabase. If you don't already have a Supabase project, follow the prompts to create one. Otherwise, select your existing project and authorize the connection. After that, wait while Lovable links your project to Supabase and configures the integration automatically. Once the connection is complete, your app will be able to use your Supabase database, authentication, and other available services. If prompted, confirm the required permissions and review the project details before continuing. Now, use the Lovable AI chat to generate features that interact with your Supabase project. For example, ask it to create a database table, add user authentication, or build a form that stores data in Supabase. Test these features to make sure your app is communicating with the database correctly. Finally, save your changes and publish or redeploy your application if needed. Continue expanding your app by adding more Supabase features, such as storage, row-level security, or additional database tables as your project grows. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Supabase to a Lovable app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.